Hey, this is Jeff from Jeff Racing to the Top. The race, what can I say? I ran a clean race. The first half of the race, I was a little slow. Couldn't figure out how to get around people. I was being a little cautious, I guess. And then towards the later half, after that, the last caution, I said, you know what? Forget it. Let's go. You know, trying to be safe and passing people, and I started to gain some speed. But by then, it was already too late. So, but anyway, I ran a clean race. Didn't hit anybody. Didn't hit anything. No walls this time. I'm glad on that. That's a win in my book. But I was just going over the car, the right rear, I guess after the last crash the race before, I got to pull out the fender, starting to rub on the wheel, I guess. I need to do that. And also, if I get tech inspected, that the camber adjustment is a little too much, so they might flag me for that. I'm going to try and adjust it out a little bit, even though the alignment bubble gauge, I think that's off. I don't know. I guess I'm just going to eye it and see where it's at and use the other one and go from there.
Yeah. One step 달려와줘 like a little 나만 사랑한다고 가져왔던 떨림마저 저 바람결에 사라지는 것 푸른 바다 자수 아래 우린 Cadillac Drive Your shine Just take my hand You 어서 용기 말 기다리는데 왜 모르니 Yeah I'm ready One step
It's a busy day today. Got my race teammate over there fixing his car. Hopefully he'll make it out on Friday. Just cleaned the car. Didn't wash it yet. I don't want all that water dripping on me yet. So I'm just gonna pull out this right rear quarter panel so it's not gonna rub on my tire when I go racing, all right?
Just take my hand You 어서 용기 말 기다리는데 왜 모르니 Yeah I'm ready One step 달려와줘 like a little 나만 사랑한다고 가져왔던 떨림마저 저 바람결에 사라지는 그림자 가까워지고 두근거림 속에 우리 시작된 firework 가와줘 나만
Got done washing the car, vacuuming it, checking it out. Ran a clean race the last time. There was nothing pretty much wrong that I could see. I couldn't find anything as of right now. But was told on the right rear, the camber negative was just a little too much. I mean, you can see it with the eyes. If I was to get tech inspected, I could fail for that. So they told me a good rule of thumb is about 3/4 of an inch out. And that's what I'm gonna do to finish up with this video, and hopefully I'll have it out by Friday. I'm just using a new method of measuring the camber. I'm using an L gauge right here. So what I'm basically doing is having the bottom level with the ground and measuring the top of the tire. I guess that's the part that sticks out the most. Sort of like this. And measuring the distance away from there. It's about a 3/4 of an inch, just under, maybe, what is that? Between 5/8 and 3/4. Hopefully that's good enough. If I get tech inspector, hopefully he passes and I won't get flagged, which anything can happen. It is what it is, right? The race car is loaded on the trailer and ready to go. Thank you for watching the video to the end. If you did, please write a comment below on the good, the ugly, and the bad. And I'll see you at the racetrack. Thank you very much.